clearer. Okay, Gabby, go.
I don't want to go.
Pedal forward.
Mommy said Gabby.
Help me.
Up here comes the car. Gabby, can you go to the side?
Go to the side, Gabby.
Go to the side.
Gabby, go to the side. It's alright, the car's parking anyway.
Go over to the side, Gabby. Can you turn around, Gabby? Turn around. Oh, there you okay. Good girl.
Cloud this. Help me cloud this.
Go ahead, Gabby.
Why not?
Keep going, Gabby. Keep going.
You're doing a great job.
Keep going. Say cheese, Mommy.
Slow down.
Help me.
Go backwards.
Look at Mommy and say cheese. Gabby, look at Mommy.
You're going backwards with the bike at Grandma's slow.
Watch where you're going. There you go. Keep going. Go forward. There you go. Keep going. Keep pushing. There you go. Almost. Almost. Keep going. Push.
Help.
Keep going. Wow, Gabs. Look at you, Peanut. Go catch Daddy. Keep going. Go get Daddy. Oh, there you go. Keep going.
So you can go to the house?
Turn around, Gabby.
Keep going.
Turn around, Gabby. There you go, Gabby. Come on towards Mommy.
Wow, now you're doing
Come on. Keep going. I'm coming.
A duck.
Go towards Daddy. Keep going. Whoopsie. Oh, here comes a car. Come over here. Eric, there's a car coming.